Good evening.
So you up here in my place. So you up here treat me place. Look on the place.
What the woman you really mean?
No.
Hello. What's your...
Look on the floor. The place want to sweep out. Get up and sweep out the place. I saw your man up here treat the place.
Wait. You must say this get from bad to worse. Miss, I understand. Oh, you was barging at my house, so.
Because... Barging in what?
My house.
No, I rent do not pay for this.
Exactly.
Yes.
No, darling. You see them as they rent somebody summer. After them until them give your mama rent it.
No, your man.
Contract. Document. You're not supposed to have barging on a barge out.
Listen to me, let me tell you something. You don't write nothing for me, no, so you don't know talk yourself.
I'm here,
your man,
to be
that's no business with me. And your man rent this, and your man supposed to have more with me. No, you can't come on.
This is all me, right here. Listen.
No, my business, because you nasty, me don't expect my place now.
Your business all in there, so stay. Long as you get your money, nothing to worry about.
No.
Question, my man ever chop parent yet?
That's not your problem.
If ever later,
business.
Nah, come on.
No, me now, come on. Get up and sweep out the place.
Make me sweep it out.
Clean up the place.
Sweep it out because you get your money all you just out of
rent to this or with this fire, so I'm not change.
No, we don't want change. We want stay so.
You can't buy and cover it.
No, you want to buy pussy from it?
Clean up the place, man.
Listen, go on.
You too nasty, man. Get up and sweep out the place.
No, sir. Me never know say catch we come over here for call. Me never say come over here and say, Miss Alia, what are them? No worry about it. We want to buy a man there.
Me need to have a talk to your man about this, you know, because me not right now nasty place.
Me never know say
just let go and get it.
Look how I'm saying. Beg your catch. Beg your catch.
Look on the floor. Could they? You don't have mom.
Me sit on your side, relax.
Relax when the place is dirty. Or you can't relax in the nasty. Oh, yo. Sweep out the place.
Are you by bro?
Sweep out the... What do you mean by...
Please, come on.
Sweep out the...
I understand them cases. Me and they have avatar. Come out.
Only if you cheat the place.
Me never know say that we come over and find your yard come beg your catch.
Good day.
I can't make my money up here. But that money break out, what's all that here? Me don't even know if she's a woman. But you come in here and walk it. No, hold on. I don't understand. This is almost joke. Come in here with dirty self.
Yeah, man. Where are you with? Yeah, me I say, me response to all island them. Land, bro, me have whole heap of land. Land can't done, bro. Bro, me have land for 80,000, 50,000, 100,000, 300,000. Me have land for all different price. When me say price, all different price. Bro, if you want a nice land, bro, listen. You see two of you. Me know which part of nice land there right now. Wait, at 50,000. Me I got that land there for, bro. 50,000, and just because me know you, bro. Yo, one of them soon call about one dog come check me. Hey! Why pray? I man a smile so. Why you? I come like Christmas come early that year and my dog, you wouldn't even believe. Jaja, you don't know say me get one promotion I work with dog. Like how much for bonus? Me get bonus and you know alright, watch you now. Say you know when you go one place and you work there now and move good. Yeah. I say, let me chat to your manager. And me, I go chat to now, I'm your manager. Vox, you know I go on the road, me dog. Me go on the road, me go on the space, me go on out everywhere. Me outside now, dog. I tell you, know. So right now, me get on a little piece of dog and yeah, right now, me nice dog. Me I tell you the truth, me feel good. So we have plans for good. Remember, say, rent house living in David. I tell you, more rent house. You know what my plan for do? What? More like you want a piece of money right now. Right now, a hotel is my plan for bringing go down. Right now, in my mind, it's decent, no. So she will worth hotel and piece of money? Bro, you worth the whole world, dog. TB, me I tell you the truth, you know. You must glad say my woman asked me for your world, you know, because you would have to find somewhere else to live, you know. I tell you the truth. Everybody know, man. I say, bro, the point is, bro, you have to smart, think wise, bro. Landlord can come put you out anytime, you know, bro. Can't put me out. I pay my rent on time. That not say, bro. You need to get something for yourself, you know, bro. Left hotel for last, bro. Hotel can come in one next time, you know, your man go hotel, go. You have some of them free food, you know, get VIP pass, you know. You don't have to find out till next year, you know. Alright, watch out. I appreciate what you say that, but my mind don't make up, cause yo.
between me and you a long time. Mama all out, you know. Dog, you would have been from 2023, Mama get one burger for them. Sometimes I hide and buy one and them for myself and I feel guilty, dog, in real life.
Yo, this man not easy.
No, serious. Mama all out long time, dog. In deserve a hotel life, me I tell her, bro.
Well,
If I even feel want to there.
since you deserve it, then you know, you must know, but only thing can motivate you, say, you know, if she worth it, you do the right thing, but what you know, landlord can come at any moment, they come up on you, bro, and put you up, bro, you have to understand, bro.
Well, me myself a corruption, so make a landlord try. But yo, you know what thing going dog?
Alright,
Yo, if you see me on Snapchat there, hotel, you know that going. You know, hello.
You go on, man.
You know, okay, but I know. I tell her that now then. Come and understand, oh, you rent people place and a barge you and a barge you like say. No, like a privacy. I can't remember them something here. Can't wait for come out of same house.
What's that?
I can't remember that.
You seem so hard there, aren't you?
I can't remember, man. I'm tired of them something here.
What happened?
You don't know, say you're a landlord, because I'm my landlord now, you rent your place. If man just a barge in and a come out, like, we don't have no little privacy, nothing.
What you mean barging? I think not there sitting under there. What you mean barging?
I know, but my days a while ago, walk come in, say what I must say, gone out, but I don't like them something there. And you know, just as long as the rent's money something, it's not yours again until you get it back. I don't like them something, I'm tired of this.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to speak with them. I'm supposed to speak with her. Because she not going good.
I don't like them something, man.
Don't like the landlord there. Landlord not going good, but come on now, put on your bro. Go and go have a seat. We have some good news. Make you happy and like it more. Business possible. You can buy a new broom. Baby, you know what I say? For all day, I work extra hours them. I work hard, as I can see. Come in and be tired. I know say sometimes when I come in, you put there and you look touch up and can't get it. But I just try, I'm tired and I work hard. And a boss see that company. Because
Get a promotion?
how you know? Somebody whisper to
No,
you.
because you tell I say get a promotion.
Yeah, we get our promotion, so every month now I get an extra 20 grand.
Thank you, Jesus. My prayer no go to waste.
All of my hard work not go 2 years neither. But not even that. As part of promotion, because I'm part of the management team now, we get my $100,000 bonus. So, yeah, so right now, me I think about me all day. One time me I think say we could have do something nice like go up on a hotel or you know.
Maybe. Because when you go to the hotel, you go spend the bag of money. By the time we come back, we broke again. I have a better idea. We don't invest to buy one house. Because, look how God good. I just complain to you about landlord and oh she a one and I can't take them something. I say you want to live forever.
Yeah, but $100,000 can buy a house.
I say invest in a house. What the money them you get to pay, you have mortgage, housing, you can go them place so we can have our own place. Or we have deal with family, get all nice people, them can run up and down doors, them feel like we have our own privacy. Nobody now come in, come out. Nobody can disrespect when them something they think about it. Me, listen. I never tell you say 100,000 I can buy a house, you know, but you can start it. You know, think you can go down NHT, you can go take on one house, you can use $100,000 as deposit. At least you start from somewhere. Remember, some management you're working on, you know.
Yeah.
Man, a big, you understand?
They have to know that management for sure.
Hey man, I like how you have what like said. You have to thankful the $100,000 can start it.
Well, but yeah, but me understand what you're saying, but I look on them, I get extra money a month time now. Look for when me not carry out, look for when me not carry go eat some ice cream, give her a back massage, make you get one pina colada. Me even know some of my juice them, some of my nice things them, make you get one steak. Look how long more than something for your baby.
David, listen.
$100,000 spoil.
Listen, I understand how them something there. Them something there we can do no have our own place. I say I want we in there so every minute they say landlord disrespect she do anything she want. We want have our own things be them something they can come after. Everybody them say work hard, enjoyment after. Stop things about them something they mean not think about them something. You have to see about the wrong something.
For sure.
Me sure.
Alright, I'll figure out how all of that go. But
You work hard, you want to use it for a hotel and I give people your money for you invest in our house. We have it for lifetime.
that's true, really. I just did really want to make sure you're alright.
Alright, man.
For sure.
Yeah, mom will like no more. Can't wait for come to the home and place.
Don't worry about it, man. And watch out. You see, half of everything It's low care. Go up on nice.
After we get the house and we have a picnic and I want to pound down night. You have to take for them soon.
Baby, later on, you check out all of that. Look, I mean, I don't really know about him, but I think me have a bridging where I understand some of things. Because I always see him mention and all this and this. So later on, I start talk about all of that. Okay, baby?
Alright.
Okay.
Anyways, me come go on and we'll come in and get soon. That's what when they put me on my around. Matter of fact, you already have thing where boom already. Yeah, me too fast. Put on your book, yes, so. Me so come back. Alright. Go get a clothes today. They look nice. Now make nobody with my dear. Don't tell her.
You know, see me I go to the landlord there though, cause hello.
Good morning, Davy. What's up? What are you doing over here?
It's Aya, good morning.
Good morning, Davy. How are you today?
Alright, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine as always. You know, me just there going to keep my cool breeze. Cause morning really nice.
Yes, me can't see that, but you have a nice morning too. But you know, so me go over my yard and I don't know, you know, but you know, so my girlfriend I tell me say you come over yard, so me ask you
Me
say,
come over here. Oh yeah, me go over there this morning. Me there look for you, but your girlfriend me see. So we kind of have a little conversation about between me and you. I think you need to change a girl.
change the girl.
Yes, because me know you a long time now, and a long time we rented at the place before she come there. And when you did it, the place clean, nice. You had well rake, you had well cut and everything.
So what difference now?
No, she just like keep the place nasty. This man me got here, he ground full of dust, dirt. She just lie down, cock up on phone. Enough nice young girls out there, you know, don't want one man like you, know, including me myself here, you know. So, first you need to change a girl in the right for you. You need to get a cleaner girl.
Miss, with all due respect, appreciate the concern. However, the house never know dirty, cause me make sure say house clean this morning. If anything might be some dust up on the floor, but that are here and there. And how you don't know that?
Because me go to the doorway and she come up in my face and a pine. She go to the extent where she use the broom and sweep at me, you know. In my place, you know.
Miss,
And you me rent the place, you know. Me not expect if you did do me that, I know I would have no problem with you because you do it. But if when she can't do that now, me feel away because she disrespect me in my own place. I never she me rent the place. I rent the place to you.
Alright, look here now. You don't have a rule against visitors. She's not a visitor, she's my girlfriend. You know, I live there. So I don't see the problem. And furthermore, even alright, say for example, say inside our place dirty for whatever reason. You're not supposed to know that your rent not due. You can't just come in our house and barge in on her. So suppose she didn't naked.
When you alone did me barge in on you and you never have a problem with it.
No, that
so
I mean alone no, but
no, she not have no problem with it because of you me rent. But you still not get my point. And you fi there and me fi come when me ready. You must be there. You know fi there. You need to change your girlfriend, man. Change her. She too nasty. She stuck up. She just lazy. She just want to lie down and cock up. Yeah, that message she do down there, I'm not like it. She didn't even take a rake and sweep the yard.
Well, you know, and then first she come to me and said all this thing about her. First me I come to you with it. So I get maybe I take a set for her, you know. Maybe I go to my house when you know some of the day, you know some work at them the time.
No, that way, so this morning, I never planned to come over there, you know, but I was going on the road. So I said, alright, let me take a quick stop and tell her good morning, hold her or whatever. But I asked her where you're there and she said, you know, bitch, do my man one day. One hip up painting up in her face, you know.
Well, if she does,
disrespectful.
If she do that, she never really right.
I just asked her for you.
Well, if I saw you go, I'm say that go if, because I three sides of the story, her side, your side, and the truth. I don't know which are which.
Father,
but I beg you, please, me I beg you, just give her some privacy when she did. You know 8 hours when we go to work. So she said she feel like you antagonize her, and me I beg you, please. Because I don't like me at all. Me I rent to
no man, it's okay. So once you say it, you know, say me I go work with the but me just not like your facts that she's so nasty. You just you don't deserve that. You deserve a nice woman. She not nice. Me I tell you.
Alright.
She not nice.
Alright, now what on my friend? Have a good day, yeah?
Yes, you too. Alright, lovely.
Kayla Jones.
That's not my last name. Don't tell me that.
What you are going with?
They are trying to cut me out, but you rate now up good. You
Yes,
go
sir.
buy one new rate.
You see a big stone there, there's a rake up stone.
You see little leaf there, I not too like a little nasty. See how one little leaf right so.
No man, you leave
Full of
them
ass
good.
with
I
me.
nature that man. But anyways, that's why I can't link you because I want some advice.
Go on now. What happened to you?
Alright, yeah, good news, bad news, and in between news. Which one do you want to hear first?
Tell me the bad news.
Me feel like say the landlord like me, and because she like me, she not like when my woman do because me hear my woman complain to me more than one time now say the landlord come over there and make problem in her house, and when I go to the landlord it's like him a play off you and I really know. But right now that I only way I can think about. So right now me I think so me have to find one place.
Come ask one question. What do you mean by you think the landlord like you? In a which type of way?
Like-
As that good tenant
No,
or in a
like
sexual way?
like me I want there with me. I want to feel the
Oh.
steel.
So maybe that's why they might cause problem with your female.
And that me I get to figure out and
So
alright, let me get good news now.
okay.
Your boy get a promotion.
Yes,
So,
that's good.
Yes. So all these years me I work at a company, the boss tell me I put in the work so me get an extra raise for my pay and me get a bonus.
Mm-hmm.
So with that bonus then now me do a plan for charm my woman go hotel go big brass in and sitting make me rub
Oh,
down
but
in
they
the back.
can't go to them and sit there now.
No, I
That's a bigger problem
that
now.
me did one do but my woman I tell me say oh in wall out, it no make no sense. Right now I tell me say better me get a place and sitting. Or you must send me for NHT go look land fit land and house and sitting.
So let me ask you a question now. You pay NHT tax?
I mean tax for the NHT.
You have to pay tax and you can't school and then just get linear loan and you go take out a house or you know and say work. You paying tax?
Alright.
Yeah, you have to pay NHT tax. If you're not pay tax, you can't get no land.
Jesus, what me don't know about that? Cause I don't know. My plan for going. Me plan
You
for
can't bother good on there.
I know.
You can't bother good on there because you not pay tax. So you can't get no land. Okay, so if you don't pay tax now, you could have good on there and explain, go know say you want a member and you could have good on there and explain to them what go on and then could have give you one land and you like you can take out one land like they show you one place and you get a land and you just go and pay down pan it. A year time or anyhow they
Me
do.
ain't know say so. But
Yes,
you come like
can't.
anyone no 40 man.
Oh, cause me a plan to take out and you think me plan to take out it a board out of the rest of my life. And me pay a parent.
Me don't think so, but
Okay, me
So-
soon want to move out and get a land for myself, but at the moment now, me can't afford it. I don't have it. So I have to go and catch up right here so for the time being.
you want land to yourself. So.
Yes, come to my house to say rent me a pay, you know.
I like.
Rent me a pay.
I know say for true for your client, so me know you them feel sad if your house.
No.
Well, more than know still. So
At first, my father used to pay the rent, then me get bigger now, so me have to start pay the rent.
well, Kayla, me tell you the truth, that me come to link up on the locker. Me think say you could have tell me about NHT, but right now you telling me I
No,
know.
me tell you we have to go do now. NHT are the right way to go. Or if you know, some people, some man capture land and sell.
Awesome, I don't want to do something.
You could have said, if you could have get one of them there for the time being.
Awesome.
But that is not a good idea. Anything can happen.
I don't
So
believe
what I
that.
feel like, say, if you do, when I get, when I work, when I get your money, when you get your paycheck, right? I want pay slip you get, all the money go straight to your account. What go on?
Me get one virtual place in my email, but you got to my account.
Oh. So you search for panic party if you have pay tax or what? You say if you have
Tell
pay tax?
Me I tell you the truth, you know, when me look for my pay slip, you know, me see X amount of money and me see X amount of money come out for tax. But me not look for a tax then do.
Me think if you go find out. And if you nothing, you go join NHT and pay them tax.
Well,
You go join NHT and pay tax and then in the next couple years from now, you get out of
couple
it.
years.
Yeah. You can just join son and they can't go trust you.
That don't make no sense then.
Well, all I do they move out of the rent house there and go in a one other one as simple as that.
That don't make no sense neither. Yeah, yo,
Well,
thanks for
me
your
no know.
advice, but me I forgot find something.
Yes.
So pick up yourself today. Let's say I find piece of land to yourself.
Yes, but I don't know.
Alright.
Turn that attitude.
Yeah.
David. I'm gonna have let's go. Just tell me say me go in this go bicycle and come back. How when could I come? One what to see? I ready day.
Boy, baby. If right now, if you ever know the things on me, I go show. You know, so me go link your landlord because me don't know. Half of you tell me, half of my mind just say, yo, you know, so this not right, bro. We can't manage this. So, me go link him. When we go to the landlord, me I say, oh, you man, what kind of style that? How you deal with woman? So, he must say, no, me never deal with her no way. Say, you jump up in her face and a pint. So she come over here and I say, where's Davy? I say, where ask one man for? One man there sitting. So, baby, me ask her. Me know what answer her there, but me ask her just to confirm. How that happen?
No. So you really believe say that happen?
Baby, if me did believe say that happen, would I come here and just slap in your face 2 times? I joke, baby, would I never hit her. Where's it? I joke, like. Me know say I lie, Mattel, because when the first time you complain to me, or the second time, or the third time, it's just that I first really go to work, and I come and hold this at time.
You say I'm tell us how we need to come out. Because look how the woman start to lie for me already. See you ever see me once a pint up in her face, she come in here and load up her mouth and talk, oh this someone bag something.
Well, baby, as I chat all move out of so. You know, so I go link one of my friend them too, and to tell her the truth, she have more sense than me in a sense, like she more knowledgeable. Yeah.
So why gonna be him?
Because it's not a him, it's a girl. Me not gonna tell her say it's a man and it's a woman. So I go link her because she more knowledgeable to me and she understand what I go on. So I link her about the NHT thing. Baby, you didn't know so you have to pay tax. We can't get NHT. You have to pay tax before they can give you a loan and something.
You have to pay tax.
No, but me never know that. And then, you know, see, years, you have to in the local circle before you can get money from them.
Years. So I don't understand. What do you mean years? I think you just come here working as a tax you out of your money when you work. But I think you just go on. I don't know say years.
You never know say so neither. But baby, as far as I see it right now, that now I'm going to work out, you know. Right now, because for years, me have to do it for. It didn't make no sense.
No, no, no sense. So what you going to do?
Maybe right now, as far as I see that 100,000 there, it just makes sense. I just can't carry to a hotel and make you look nice. But you're a nice bathing suit and me go swim.
I look nice already.
Yeah, but you can look nice in the bathing suit and you go in the jacuzzi and get a massage. And
oh, calm down. I tell you already about that hotel is something to be. You know, I think, you know, when me things you waste money go hotel, but I don't want to go to hotel. Alright, watch him. Here we go do, right? I have to figure out something because I really don't want to stay in this. I don't want to go to hotel. I could go to hotel when you know so comfortable. You can't go to hotel and uncomfortable when I come back. Listen, don't use that money, just put it down. Put it down, no use it. You see, you know you're going to use it, but you come give me put it down. Don't use it. I will tell you. Something I have to go on. I have to find a place. Oh, this year, now I work with me.
alright.
Then I'm going to do it.
Alright. Anything you say about it, okay? Okay.
It's a girl I should have reached her by now, you know. I feel like once somebody want to land to buy, try calling. Vice me out. That girl I'm not interested and serious. Give him 2 more minutes.
Evelyn,
Are
you then send me to a union to me?
Yeah, I mean I have land myself. Are you come to buy land, not you?
Yeah, me I buy the land. So you land there.
I see the nice, comfortable land. That the land there, you know, no work for nothing, you know. It's firm and everything. Can't be, yo, let's see how the earthquake come.
The one I saw without the house too.
Which house?
Not the house.
Where you get land with the house?
Me I get land with banana tree. Why me can't get with the house?
No man, if you see the banana tree them now, I just say me go at them play around for and yam them and then
You don't say in our little kids. Me didn't know say me never come up here. Cause about 6 times me turn back and go on me here before me come back. Then me turn back and lift up with the cup. How much is that a little piece of land there?
That I say, alright, I say to my brethren say no, I get 150,000, I did 200,000 for. But a 150 me I get for a front page, you know. Nice sea view when I put your local house on you and you can see.
One what?
150.
150 Jamaican dollar.
You look like me the bun coke.
So me look like me a bun coke to take up 150,000 gear for banana tree.
You lucky me never tell her 2 million.
Let me ask you something. Like a front page and everything. You go fence it round.
Once me sell her the land, Me not in charge of nothing else. Look, the government send me some things. And say I'm in charge and say, if you send
a good land man.
Yeah.
Paper the day.
paper everything.
So, yeah, me go want it. Like how we have the papers and something.
Yeah,
me go
man.
want the land. So, all the tax go on now.
No man,
You
the
know
government link me. Alright, the government reach out to me and some sending people them where I buy land down there. They give them a title and everything. So
So me just go down there and tell them my name.
the thing legit, once me get the money, they go down there and tell them my name.
Oh,
They tell them who I come to them and
Alright, me go make somebody come chop it down tomorrow and take up them banana leaf there. Alright, me go send them money.
come out Tyson. Listen. To see if I can send more car bank kinda slow sometime, you know. So if I can send more next extra 30,000 or 20,000, you send it. So watch out now, I'll show you one money. See me, this money at 250,000. This money I buy land for about 2 of my brethren, you know. I say I get for 150. But if you can put some extra, you do it.
A 150 me have. And a 150 me happy. That's a tell me
Remember,
that me have
the
go
thing
to.
legit, you know.
Anyways, we have to just go down there, tell them my name and deal with it.
Yeah, because government left me in charge.
Alright, in the next 10 minutes you see money come into your account. Thanks, nice doing business with you because we never know land so cheap.
Oh, it's a good lot of sense. Oh, Spice moving just like a magnet. Moving there, moving here, moving just like a magnet. Whoa. Oh, money rich. Next victim that, you know. Up on my phone. The next system that. So you can get an next client. And people are only. How you have buy land without title? This is go, get the money, go. Go. Let's see you again. I'm on. What you are doing? Yeah, man, everything good. Yeah, everything good, you know. So I go on. Don't say them they are easy back to a boy. What go on with it? You did take mama go to hotel.
Boy, I'm gonna give you a piece of joke when even funny dog. Yo, you know what I say? Me know end up carry mama go hotel dog cause he said similar thing what you tell me, I tell me to say. You know make no sense and come out and rent house and something and dog right now I come like say all a landlord and like one bag of thing dog. So maybe I check out some things about NHT if you go take out a house and run and sit. But me hear say me have to pay tax and me a years it take and sit dog. So right now you put me in a spot cause me don't want to move from one rent house to next rent house cause I want one place in itself but I want a piece of land at least to start off with dog and I don't even know. You see me? The NHT thing now go out dog. And I swear I don't even know what to do dog, you know?
Bro. At least that, bro, you don't need to wait so long, bro, and link one. You don't know so me sell land?
What?
Me sell land, you know?
You sell lamb? What kind of lamb? Goat?
Lamb? Which way you get lamb from, bro? Land?
You sell land? Where I get land from to sell?
Boy, me sell land, bro. Me have a whole heap of land, bro.
My, you come like me tell them problems and you take him and joke out of me dog. Where you tell them? My, stop frost me brother.
Bad man, me say me see two of you. Me sell from 50 go. 50, 60, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 500. Me sell at all different price.
What? So you for sell land and I don't know about that?
What you think me do for your living?
Well, you know, so I never ask you tell her the truth. So where you get land from for sell? Where do you buy your plant land? How you have land for sell? I don't understand that.
When you buy nothing, you ask where you get money from to buy.
No,
You grow money?
me not grow money.
Oh. Me
So,
say,
no, but brother, if alright, say me do end up buying land from you, more know how that go. Kinda like me can just say, "Tibi sell me," and then so.
bro, I'm a couple of them response, bro. So if you want a land, as a chief, you can bust up on one. Depends.
So how that go? Me ask so you work with government, what kind of thing that me ask so?
Yeah, bro. They just come with the money and link me, bro.
What you mean yes what? Me not
Bro, government, me and them work together, bro.
How?
Like, alright. Them give me them make me in charge of the land. Right, like me sell the land for them. It's a work me I do, you know. Them put me on a work where me lucky buy them and sell it land them to the people them and reach out to them and get them percentage. Do you think me will survive?
Well, I never know, you know. So, alright. Say you sell me land now. How would I get the title?
Bro, you don't need to worry about title.
Me have to worry about title because post me got a tax.
So we not bridging?
But bridging can't be lost, dog. How would I get the title? If me got a tax office and say me have land, what me get
Me
title?
go send it to whosoever you have to get sent to done the car. Remember say I work you know, brother. I think I chicken
Hey.
a jerk.
So yeah, them the link let up send me and me go down there and get the title.
A government me work fine.
True, me see her every day, dog. One night time, me see her ask me the dog. I always see her on phone, but true, me not two business, but I'm on business, you know.
Bro, me do all the things to survive, bro.
Yeah.
So you can just check me, bro. If you want the land, bro. You think legit, bro.
So I see you sitting, because dog, buy a piece of money me I tell you about right now, but I look piece of land, dog.
So yeah, how much money you have right now?
You know, me have the money put on, dog.
Like how much so?
Remember, so me have a Yeti pack.
Alright, me can give you a nice piece of land.
So when
Can give you a nice acre land. What, 3 by 5 by 6 by 20 by 30.
Me not
By
understand
one.
the measurement. Me not understand the measurement, but what me I say? So all if me did want to land now, you could have shown me to understand me or
Yeah, bro, me can show you land. You want go look on it?
no, it's sit like this, not to go live woman first dog.
Sir, you really are gonna make your woman leader, bro?
I don't say leave, but as I feel me and the feel decision, because he might complain and she really are looking land for you. And then I get you a good little feel me, tell us.
Bro, you're your own man, bro. Do what you can do, bro, and come and link back, bro. Which I kind of link, man. Go for your money and forward, bro.
No man, me I show you by woman first dog. Me I feel that way if me not do it. Because if me do it and in your place, me I feel bad.
Bro,
Yo, me all linking, just wait us dog.
alright,
You
do
know?
what I do.
Alright.
Right, oh, money have to make, you know, dog. Cause right now, me have a woman a Clarendon, you know, her name Bree. But she name Bree Official, on IG. Official music. Me have to scam to make money so me can feed her. Cause once she name Bree Official music on IG, you know, is an artist that, you know, where want bring him come on my studio, and me have to have money for bring him come on my studio. You time they hurry up and come back.
Yeah. Baby, me have some good news, me have some good news.
How again? We ate.
You find out?
So I just open your clothes and
Yeah.
in a history.
We have a solution for the land problem.
What's the solution again?
Alright, yes, I'm fit. Get peace of land and start with the house, not sure.
Yeah.
Alright. Mamsi, me have an idea. God, reason we done a bridge in a while ago. You know, I can tell you, say, who say him sell land?
Your dog sell land.
I couldn't believe.
What's wrong with him?
You mean nothing can do him, why you name TV?
TB.
Ah.
If Bruno no ever come with you?
Really, we come here regular. Oh, yeah, yes, you know, I'm sure.
So I went since TB started selling land.
Him say that he do for a living. Say he has. Say, I'm tell you, he might tell me say basically government give him some land and like him to sell them and the people them when you sell them to just come down a tax office to get them title. So he would have set up a list and name them and set. So he would have land them and just sell them. Like, I don't know what kind of arrangement him and government have, but him have to show me map and say, yo, it right so a private land right so I land we go develop and he show much bar road out there and one bag of setting. So me I say come like I got just saying. Cause I want come up this morning and I see my spot. And me just a reason with him. And me I tell him my struggles and want me go through and sit land. He might tell me so me no link him. So me say me have got any idea by babes because you know say yeah boss lady me just make him money.
David. David. For how long you know TB? You ever hear about TB a sell land?
If you tell the truth, then I never really ask him what he doing.
Oh, I was saw the TB I said, me not think this is a good idea.
Why?
Listen to me. I'm no tell you know say sugar and salt look alike. You didn't know that?
But I not taste the same.
Exactly. TB, me not think TB land and if even sell land, me not think it legal. Oh, all of a sudden, him a sell land, him and government. That's really not add up. It does not make no sense to me. Me doesn't have a good feeling about this, be because all of a sudden you have to be a friend. You never hear TB tell about land. All of a sudden you tell TB your problem. No matter of fact, who you go and rather just tell people your problem is.
I don't tell him my problem. Remember say, Babe, when I know, but when me just tell him, but I'm real dog, you know. So when if yesterday, you see him and I tell him, say, I'm get a promotion, I'm going to bring him back a hotel and sit and he must say, no, it's not a good idea. But me never mention it to you, because he must say, yo, rent house and blah, blah, blah. But me never told me that too. I know say me don't want to bring him more and bring him but two, you know, they on that. So me just go active now and say, yo, you know, say you need to on that next style there. And me I look away out because the landlord have a problem and one bag or something. So I just succumbs and then one thing lead to the next and I find out. So I don't like a problem is me, I tell you.
Babe, I don't know, you know, but I have a good feeling about this. I feel like we need to do this thing the right way. Because, in my sell land, you need to go back to the office or whatever you say, 50 long title.
Well,
I don't like how this sound, you know.
so
This
me tell
sound
you, so
proper.
where's the don't go to him then? Don't link him up.
I don't face it, but, you know, say, you know what good for you. So, if you feel like the best thing, because I just say, your friend didn't do it. But me not have a good feeling about it. It's not sit well with me.
Babes, we tell you the truth, you know. Anything I tell me, see Allah. If you're not there by my side 100% of this decision, no decision now, me. I'll go back down the road right now and tell him, say, yo, you know, so me not there on that though.
No, you're gonna make it look away.
Mm-mm.
Just tell him, just make it pretty little. Cause yeah, the things too rushed. I know what they gonna feel like, say, yeah, make your woman control. You know, man, stay, babe. But me just not feel it. Me just not feel it. All of a sudden.
Baby, I know say make woman control me, but remember say I you me I do this for you know. I even I do it for myself as much as me I do it for you. So if you don't agree with it 1000%, it's not going to happen.
I understand.
Okay?
I don't feel, I don't know, babe. All your friends say now, I not say my teeth right now, but I not feel it.
Alright, no problem. Alright, well link you.
So you're not gonna work?
Today I'm day off. Today see my management now. I'm set the schedule.
Oh, Lord. If you got to be mad, to big manager.
So you have my phone everything and must
They are hurt me so much. Alright.
Jesus Christ, you're gonna see your rubber fall your knee come away though.
No, I chip me to the chip and job. Come on, the other side, I could something.
Baby, you know, you're too big for things and you don't do that. Let's get something to me, man. Gosh, I look how your boys are all your nice skin and oh my gosh.
But they went there, maybe just stay and relax and sit.
Alright, me all link him now and tell him something on that, okay? Okay.
So you take up your back and you see me and wear it like clothes. You make me look like, you know, I look like you, I smell like it.
No, that's my life. You're going to give me a hug. Come here, my new cologne.
Smell nice too.
Thank you, baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
See this lamb. I don't like that.
David! David!
Oh, Dad. Oh, stop knocking the door. Oh, Dad.
Again? You can't come here one time and David there. What happened? Look at the place. You need to clean up the place, man. Good day, stove empty. You didn't even say cook make your man get when he come home. What happened? What David? I need to talk to David. I can't take this no more. What David?
You know, say tormented woman. So imagine me in a sleep and it'll hurt me. And you bang down the door.
Is it your door?
I'm a man door if you know what
No. My door. My house. Your man only rent it for a while. I mean, I come here for no argument with you, you know. You see where I go to your man with my name? You, I don't even want to call them. Get up and clean up the place so that I come home. And next thing again, me see so all sitting through the road, this, I don't like that. Me really don't like that. When you need to take up something them from the door, man. People are passing and complain about something them, man. They don't look good. You know, see me have to talk to them about this. I have to talk to them about this. I mean, I like to go to them with my name.
Matter of fact, what you mean by go to David with your name? Me, listen, David come adjust up your way, come over here, come do. Can you not have no right to come barging in here, so? How do you go tell my man about how me paint up in your face and me? Woman is a liar.
So what I never say one person never paint up in my face. You never come up. You never do that.
Can you barging in here and I'm not right to barging in here?
Of course, again. My place.
Me tell you already, say, me man a parent in here. Say, you know, me really have ask Davy.
Davy what?
Never ask Davy if he own that woman here. Him have to own that woman here.
No, Davy never owe me a month rent, but me just
Some of y'all do it here.
like her place, look.
I know your place. Me tell you, it's not your place until. Listen, yes, when we come out at your place again. Yes, until we, yes, when I see we in here, you don't have no right to come in here a bargy lady. You tell me, Tim?
Tell her nastiness.
I hope you just to worry about which part you live. Don't worry about how the woman I see here.
Alright. This is your house I'm renting for Davy. Me never renting for no Tegerick coming here. No wanna be girl coming here. Davy me rent, not you.
So you might have it, man. No, you see that you see me. So you rent it to them, you rent it to me also. I'm not a man.
Fit now. You hear? You just want you look so run out.
I cannot go like say that you fit. Excuse.
You
No,
look
man.
so run out. You hear tell her that?
Me and Davy have to have a conversation. Come in and understand. Oh, this a tormenting with you. A barge in, barge out. And I sleep, me asleep. No. Me and Davy have to have a conversation. Well, wait till him come back. Imagine.
Yeah, what for and Davy hurry up and come with the money, you know. Hope he can get through and the man not tell him the foolness, you know. Because you see that girl left and claring down on him, Bray. Want have piece of money so me can invite her to come and niggle, you know. So you better hurry up and come with the money. Oh, see me and come too.
Yeah, clap to yourself, some of that.
Nice, man. You know me just nice, dog.
Oh.
Yeah, true me have a new girl we are coming. So anyway now, ready for land, me have 100,000 land to sell, you know.
TB, you know, so me go link mama say it's not a good idea because he must say he don't know he has no land seller and me I tell him say them must there but he must say he just want to focus on the future right now and he must say he better go and pay rent a couple times. You know what I'm so?
Davy.
What you mean, bro?
Davy really, alright, me get for 95, like call it. Take off 5 grand, bro.
No, TB, I'm not boy 5 grand, dog. Plus 5 grand and nothing, dog. You shouldn't say 5 grand. But, bro, I want moms that say, I say, if me and I decision, then I fear you know that buy 9 dog. So, I don't like me, I might try something, you know?
Bro, just trust the process, no, bro. Believe in me, no, bro.
Can't that TB, because moms, anything mom say, I saw dog, so I just that, you know? But, yo, I appreciate it still, you know, if anything in the future, I can grab things for you, you know?
Bro, you shouldn't go to your man, bro. You're a man or you're a boy.
Just no for that.
We are bridging in it. You know anything legit, bro. Me not getting
no
fraud.
No, say thing legit, dog. That's I think, but...
Alright, give me 80.
80.
Give me 80. You want 80 grand? Boss me a boss.
Tibi, if I'm me alone, me take it, dog. If I'm me alone, me take it. Believe me. But, yo, no feel no way, dog. Yo, me I go up to mother, you know?
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going to plan to make a piece of money to make break come done.
Yeah, I tell you Tibi something I want it. Tell him something I want it.
Davy.
Hmm?
Can I answer a question?
Yeah.
You want Alia?
No?
So I don't understand. Can I tell you something for the hurt? I'm in here asleep. Alia come, bang down the door, come over with that excitement.
What?
And I talk about beer things. Me no cook food for you. I'm a nasty, I'm for one, I love you, I don't know. So I just want to know if you owe Alia.
No, me no want Alia, no lie. I come over here and say this.
I'm telling you the disrespect. Matter of fact, I better you call back Tippy, bro, and make better land, bro. I can't do this no more. Right now, I'm stressed out.
Baby, when I just come from over to be and you tell me if you don't buy the land. I have to tell me, you tell me if you not buy it. Because you tell Tibi vex, you know, because you must look on in plan for the land there. If you sell me one bag of land. Baby, but you just tell me if you not take your land.
Yeah, I call him, but I can't do this. Any I'm do this, me have to go live. I can't do this, I can't do disrespect.
You can't live. Don't say that, you can't live. That is not an option. You cannot live.
Then call him back then. I can't do this, babe. I'm feeling my whole place. You just gotta miss me and go and lie down out here, so. Period, you want to hear the knock, like I said, police. I run down gunman. Come in here, as my whoop me here on my door. Push me away, come in, barge in, peer disrespect. I'm not used to them disrespect, I can't do it. And I'm a landlord. And it doesn't make sense to talk to her anymore. Cause the more you talk to her, the more she get worse. You can't do this, bro. But take her back to me feeling. Me tell you the truth.
Yeah, but me look like I idiot if me could have feeling and now come.
Just listen, that's what I'm telling you. You should have gone on this, but you should have pretty it up. Just tell him say it was a misunderstanding and you wanted it.
You know, pretty it up, make you... Alright, tell her. Me can't go down there today, cause if me go down there today, me a be laughing stock in village. So tomorrow me go, and me a get all the one more chat.
And I'm listen to talk to her, but you know, realize it get worse.
Then me a chat to her, man. I chat to her.
I'm pulling up with tomorrow, you go.
You know I'm gone, man. You know I'm gone.
Alright, girl, I'm not feel good enough.
You can't make all your stress you either.
The woman just come bad, you know, made her hurt me.
Hush. Don't worry about it, man. Tomorrow me link you, look pan and everything for good. Alright?
Alright.
Okay. No, I'm saying I want to make some tea for you.
Dirty landlord. Love you all, make your face look so.
I was thinking with that thing to really.
What thing goes?
I wonder say if I write this genre really because you see I want to buy land, but me I say yesterday when we did I say me mention the idea to just so again see and then me I say show look at time to go link him and come back. And the landlady come over here and I can be a problem for you, yeah. Change your mind. So me I wonder say if I write this decision yeah make it come like a small decision come with anger. I'm not really want nothing on baby so him there I contemplate about.
No man, babe. It's not about no anger or nothing. But it better you just buy it. You know I'm happy. That's what make me happy that any other thing.
What?
Nothing why you buy it. Me and nothing going no right or no wrong. Or just why you buy it.
How you make happy?
If you buy the land from TV.
You look how you again see. And then you don't go to him already and tell him say, hey, I'm not buying no land because my baby says no. So right now I go to him and say baby say yes. Sir. I look like a fool, like say if you just snap your finger and jump off a bridge.
Me on that. But more can chase the woman, make sure go. I can't live so. You know see I'm uncomfortable right here, so I don't happy.
You understand about women can't chase the woman. So I really woman make you buy land.
No, kinda. Mama can run around and say, boy, we so come out to your place and this sir. But if you don't buy, I can't go custom. Just have to suck up to every fool in the share because we're not going to have nowhere to go.
Well, I understand why I said baby, but God no, I'm away man.
Babe, so you know I'm happy and I love me.
Of course, me love you more than anything.
So that's why you have to do it. You're not going to make you look no way. Just tell him, say, you know, see you sit on your thing, but they change your mind and you would have buy it. Be better you buy it. Come, I can't say, so me tell you the truth. You start drain my energy and stress me out.
Alright, anything for make you happy, okay? Alright.
So that make your face bend up so?
Yeah, come here one day if I write thing I do it for just to make a...
Alright, thing me I do. Do wrong alright, then I guess but alright, so no what you say.
Alright. You only make it
Alright. Remember I don't have you know, tell him about your woman say, just tell him I think that about it.
Oh, Davy.
What?
What's up? You know, so me yard me come.
How am I yard?
Yes, come like your time, me man.
No, you know, see up on the road, me there go. How we go over yard for now? Or where did you want to go over yard for?
What do you mean by you forgot to today first time month? Rent due.
Oh! Oh, my bad. Me even there keep track of time. You know, say really and truly, me don't have it for me. Rent over yard though. So, just go to my lady and tell her say rent due. We should not want SMS to tell her which part money there or something. So she can do
Dirty.
it.
What do you mean by lady? I want dirty girl, that's you. That's
No,
no
man.
lady, that's so.
No,
She
man.
nasty, she dirty, she walk
please. Just keep it respectful. Just go over there. Tell her knock. No, don't bang down the door. Just knock.
Why about don't bang the door?
Me I say just go over there and knock. You know, nice, polite and so and just say hello, good morning or something. Me come for your rent and she will already know. That's all. Please, now beg, just go over there and no cause some problem. Because I want to look at things me sort of on the road. Alright?
Alright.
Alright?
Say alright though.
Yeah man, me doing well man.
Okay. Alright, here.
Alright, take care.
Take care.
Alright.
I'm coming. Come in. Oh, but I can't live here and I can't worse. Oh,
David sent text and tell her you're going in there.
leave me. Yes, him tell me. What is it? You can't have a glimpse. What's this one?
Come on, come, hurry up man.
Yes, me up.
Come, me really need to be in a come no free too. But
Me not like with you either, but then I'm cool, but I'm not making put me on back. What happened on this? Probably the last one I get.
what do you mean by the last one we get?
Probably the last one I get come and tell you your foolishness. I'm moving man and move to your place.
What do you mean by you and your man? You mean you will move on?
Me and my man are moving to the place. My man gonna go look for one land right now. As we are speak. Right now he gonna go look for the land. Here? He gonna look for the land right now. Come and tell you you're careless, you know. I tell you you're foolish. See, I say, as in get the land, today I get the land. But they gonna look for the part today and get it. We are cook, we can't wait for the land. We look for things so we can't live. We're so gay. But tell you you're foolish. You're the wickedest land I've ever seen. No doubt.
So you try to tell me say David you look land if you buy.
Of course, I'm my man, I'm telling you look land. I'm telling you, yes, you get a key them and you can do anything you want to do with it. Treat us, I open and say you treat the next tenant them. Come and understand your style, your carelessness you do.
You can
Anyways,
David not gonna know. You maybe leave, but David not leaving.
watch out, let's see of a man. Anyways, let's see, you get the right money. Just come.
No, you don't tell me. Come on.
Just come on, I can't with my mood. You come like I never said you come.
So, alright. I apologize to everything. Which one do you look like?
I don't know when I'm friendly.
Alright, which one?
One boy named Tibi. Come in.
Tibi.
Yeah, two enough, you want us too much.
Alright.
One out.
TV, you say?
Tibi, me. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Too enough, man. One bit of business, fam. Should leave it tell her, man. No.
Me I tell her say yo, me love you be, me just be brave. Me just want to left hand client and come look see me and tell you sort out. Yeah, we are. Remember say I land myself here living in and plus me do other things on the side. So just don't worry about that man. Just I'm soon call about that bill. Just hold on. David them.
Wiper.
Yeah boy, where you go?
And then I'm there that. Come and see your usual spots.
Bro, you can't study me, bro. I'm change spot like how bombard. Me don't even know how I'm fit tell her right now, but it's like how people change their style. I saw me change the spot them, bro.
Boy, right now, buck up and reach out and say that to me, but me cause I look for your dog, but and some more and see and say, you know?
Oh, I could never, David, you could never want to see me, cause me I chat about land, you know, the land to buy. Land me selling it, bro.
So we tell some more land to buy. I want to tell your brother, how you mean if more land to buy? I'm not tell some more land to buy, dog.
Oh, you do come for prank me today.
Kind of prank,
Me not discuss that, bro. You tell me say no want a land to buy.
No, what's not? Alright, watch out. Yesterday when me tell her, say, mom said no. You know, say come like a misunderstanding, cause when me go down there, it's like him say, David, come here, me go show you land. I mean, I say which land, but it come like I hear me never hear go through. Me just from ears yesterday. So I saw come me say now me I fall back and grab the land. Set time, you know.
You know, saying, true, me I did chat about the land yesterday, you know. Remember me did tell us that 80 me and sell it for, you know.
Yeah.
But you never want it. One man come to buy for 2 million.
You not selling?
No, because you come like God did tell me say I come back to the land.
Yeah.
Like when you come to buy $2 million.
Tibi not selling, me have 80,000 right now. Don't sell it.
No, you have to put back 10 for it. 100,000. You're mad. Boy, you're idiot.
Huh?
How you feel say, me tell us a man come for one land for $2 million. And the whole of the land, me know, but I sell him because me know God did go send her back, you know.
Yeah.
You come back now and want to buy same way for 80,000. You don't know say I want you to do that. For 24 hours, brother, I'm tell you how my land them sell now. You see, for 24 hours pass, a 10 grand that. Alright, wait, that must be. Come on, me girl a call me, you know. I didn't even get me girl a call me. I man feel like.
Yo,
Bro, I $2 million that to
no, Timmy, cut that $2 million. Me have 100,000. Me don't want to hear nothing. Me and your virgin. You can't sell no man for $2 million. I'm only you make this week land. Me have 100,000 right now. Where landed? A good land.
So, which land and a good land?
Alright, come show me land right now. Me give you money all today for that, brother.
And let me take it $2 million.
Take you 100,000 and me and your virgin. The $2 million, I go to scamming money. And they send police.
So 100,000 off for that too?
I mean, if you know for. Come in, brother. Show me land.
Come on.
Alright.
Yeah. As me I say, see land there, you know. I land that.
Which part?
From this to this. So.
Then now a big house is funny land where you say I sell my virgin.
No, bro. Nobody feel like your house after nobody are a fear, bro. You see the house are the house part of the land. Fencing over there, you know. But you know see because we're too far, but from this to this, so I feel piece so.
What? It's not really worth 100,000 dollars. It's not really worth 100,000 really.
Yeah, dream.
What do you mean?
If a man come to me where you hang up phone call pan, want buy land for $2 million, and you talk about this now, something wrong with the dog?
What do you mean something wrong there? What?
You want to land or what? You go sell it to him and...
No, me never said that. Me just say...
Bro, look here. See this land now?
Yeah.
Only thing this land I want to... Probably want 2 waka man over there, so I want 2 machine man. Bro, this land I even want 2 machine man. 1 machine man and 1 waka man over there, so I go. You just buy land to a tax office, tell them say I'm missing. You don't even have to tell them that. You go call them when you reach a tax office. You get the title. It's a land, bro. Yeah, 12 streets. Then I establish and then I rush at it. So you have all name already, bro. All name you have already.
Alright, so, yo, man, you sure say anything legit, dog? Because I look at mine. You was kind of turn me off, you know, dog. Because we all do on land. Are they so close to you, land?
Bro, the house I part of the land, bro. Fencing there, you know. Alright, for sure you say, yo, the thing legit, bro. I people them buy the house, you know. You know who buy the house?
Oh.
Cartel buy. Cartel come from prison and buy the house for $12 million.
That was the... So you selling?
I me sell cartel at the house. If I man come from prison, bro, if I come buy the house, I'm selling it for $12 million. But doing it overseas, I know.
So I say, world boss, I buy my neighbor.
What you mean, bro?
World boss. From morning to this. Send me account information. Me have to go tell baby when they could have.
Yeah, bro, but in the foreigner now, when he come back to Jamaica, I feel
but him go live side of me.
I him feel most that.
You know that just say from morning dog, but you like it this thing good. Frank where say just want to mash it and it look good.
Just clean up and you look your fence around it. You do whatever you want. You can build club, cook shop, restaurant, anything in a business.
Alright, me there. Yo, just send me information. Make you get the money ASAP.
Alright.
And me link back baby and tell him the good news.
Alright, do that. Yeah. Father God. Bree, we have money, I know. You can come from Clarendon and we can come there, we have money, we have money for money. We have 100,000, bro. I can maintain my lifestyle.
Baby, you're so hot. So hot out there somewhere.
Sure.
God.
Like it, bro.
You do a good man. So what?
Nothing. Your landlady come over here.
You pay her rent.
Of course, come over here a bit more than I go and exert things.
You don't pay more for her.
You know how she operates, so she love exert for herself.
No, but me talk to her. I see her on the road when she come over. And I said, Miss, please don't go over there because next time. You give me a word and say don't do it. He said, if you just keep pay her the money. So when you come on, I said to you.
Over here, I said this, I said, I'm here to tell him, load him up back and tell him so soon come out in place. And you can go to buy land and I carry if you get a land for care back or care. I rolling man.
No.
And she asked who you buy the, you don't want enough.
Maybe
She want to know who you buy the land from. When you buy the land, everything you want, no.
Baby, you shouldn't do that, man. Baby, you shouldn't tell him my business, man. Baby, you shouldn't tell him my business. Me not tell him that you shouldn't do that. Shouldn't do that, baby. I'm upset about that.
Me actually want him to come man want to shut him up in chat too much.
Yeah, but no, yeah, but alright, suppose me I go raise him money in the last few, and you know, so me can't better come here and do me money for them. And like, me can't get one other place because if me get one other place, then I want first month and last month deposit.
She can't do that. She just, it's a payment that you'll need to have. Everything come here, what like you want to worry, payment.
That never happened when me there, but because maybe I shouldn't do that.
I took me want to shut her room and she love exalt herself too much.
You understand? But
Say it true.
yeah, me buy land, man. Me need to feel that more. Yeah, me buy land because me send me money not too long.
So, oil look.
Boy, I saw a house beside it, so he come like a residential area. He was packed down still and
Pack down.
he tell me it's a cartel house.
Cartel house.
It's cartel level.
So, we have the cartel neighbor.
That's what he tell me. He said but you dog on a foreign city, you know, there.
So, what kind of house? Mansion.
No, I say I want a packed down house, so I don't know if he dog use it as cover. You know, if I want a trap house or whatever. But
But yeah, cartel live in Pap down house, but cartel reach.
yeah, but my members search people hide sometimes they want to stay by themselves and make nobody know. But you tell them they still understand.
Yeah, right,
so-
Flanagan.
So you must and you have to just get on my shape, man, and clean up the place and you're ready for start build one.
So, when you bring me over the one.
Why? Anytime you're ready to build, anytime at all. We want to sum up on the first day.
Yeah, man, start building a house and road. See, I look at thing I tell her.
But right, baby, right now, like how all island they done, we can't just celebrate it.
You want to celebrate, you want to buy something?
No, man, done 100,000.
Oh, man. Alright. Let's celebrate. We want to.
Me even know again, so you can't even come massage or so.
Sure. So, come in, man, buy what I am. Pay more, some question, lean back. No lean back. How often do you buy land, you know?
Huh?
How often do you buy land?
Well, me I get the title later. When I look at my tax office, me I get the title one. So,
So, you pay the money?
you know, say I feel you, me talk going, baby, of course.
So, you pay the money and you get the title. That's
No,
good.
no, man. What you must say is, he help because he work with the government, he have a list of names, so he just send it to the people, right? Send the people in my tax office. And when you go down there, it's like when you make one police report, they already know. So, just send to them, they tell them your name, and you just call the key.
Are you just that?
Yeah, you tell me if you buy, you know remember?
Well, actually, yeah. Tomorrow I get that up my house, but alright. So, well,
No hope,
no,
no,
nothing about.
No,
Gosh, and relax. Come in, man, a long time.
Yeah.
Me a long one.
Yeah, land one.
Me a long one.
Yeah, you do this one.
What am I gonna do? How am I gonna break this music to him? How am I gonna tell him? God, oh God, what is happening to me? What am I really gonna do?
But no. Alright then. Alright. But everything will be. So you really just. Yeah, man, for me uncle that man. Alright. Baby, I sit down with the door, so I'm chill.
Sit down, me and if I talk.
Boy, you need to talk to.
Me and if I talk.
You look sad, so.
You go first.
No, you go first. You look sad, so.
Babe, I don't even know now. I don't know how to break that news that's here.
Tell me now.
I'm afraid.
Really? You mash up something in the house?
No,
What do you do?
I'm pregnant.
Huh?
I'm pregnant.
Really?
true.
You want you afraid to tell me that. Then the best thing you ever tell me that.
You happy?
Of course, me happy.
No, true, not really. Don't never for come in a picture here. Come back say we just say how we want to build on them soon the first. We don't even live nowhere. We human place for day now.
Yeah, but baby, anything for alright. My God, working on mysterious ways, you know. Alright. Alright, let me tell you what I want to tell you. I have some bad news.
Not a bad news.
My uncle passed away.
Eh. I'm so sorry, baby. My condolences.
Yeah, man, but
When did
he look like he there overseas, but I just get the call, so a lawyer called me a while ago and say he put me in a will.
Eh?
Yeah, so
Well, so when be having the rich?
he rich now, but and even richness is what he putting them what they are foreign, but he might tell me say he house without up the road. He say he left me for me name night.
His house?
The house we have he left for me name night, so right now we had that day house for ourselves.
Yes.
Hold on a bit, man. Hold on a minute.
No, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
So we can come out of the woman your house.
Hold on, man. We have to think about it now. We have alright. That's one person. We can come out of the house, but so we want new members in the family. Alright, the house I just want 1 bedroom. Have bathroom and kitchen and everything, but we have to go work now to put on a room on it. So alright, we have to build up a house from scratch. We have to put on one look a room on it for the baby. We can comfortable so you can grow big.
Yeah, but at least we have a roof over our head. And it be able to even born yet, David.
No
We just find out you have a lot of time. Oh my God, baby, I'm so happy.
But I just see it. I go see it with money, man. As a matter of fact, I just think, you know, so I sell back the land.
You don't know just buy what they are?
A couple of weeks, what month's that? What month's that? Because
I want the same way.
yeah, but we have a house now for myself, and I need to save up. I need every extra money I can get, baby. I don't like first
I
time,
don't think
you
you for sell land, though, 'cause we can build some upon the land, not for the house.
Yeah, but right now it's even more important than that. And
And the land where the upon the house are still for we. A big yard space.
big enough, but look on it now. We can't sell it back. I'll get my room for you, baby. You think about baby?
Alright,
Don't worry about it, man. Wait
So we are moving.
We soon sort out that.
Alright, so we can cause for woman now.
Mother rather you're not, but if you want to, you can.
I want cause man. I want to say yes. Me no need you. Me have me man have house.
Yeah, just
So what are that? Me say me happy.
as a matter of fact, you know, so me know who me think me have an idea. Me all link back from my boy and tell him some more sell land.
Go with him, man.
No man, me tell him man some more sell land.
So we go sell it to.
Me don't know. Me don't really know nobody want.
So how much you go sell it for?
I said price I'm buy for me not kill
You
nobody.
can't do that. You can't buy house for 100. You can't buy land for 100,000 and I go sell it for 100. Sell it for 2.
200,000.
Yes. I 150.
Baby, tell her. Anything for that more happen.
120.
Anything for that more happen. But I'm glad I tell him this. Tell her. As a matter of fact, you know what, see if we can see right now.
Alright, make uncle in our rest. I want to be baby.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah. Be safe, Huzzy.
Okay,
We're soon married next.
Alright. See if we can find today. Hey, my dog. How are you? Clean night afternoon.
Jaja.
Like you find a new gown.
Why, every day I know I go on easy, but you're good.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm finding a spot, dog. Actually, you even know. You miss me, I look for 2 cents, you know.
Hey, 4.
Dog, you know, say, I look at things come up and I want to sell back a piece of land, you know.
Sell back a piece of land.
I don't know your stage if you don't want to buy back for yourself.
No, sir. They good.
So yeah. you don't know nobody else that want to buy, so.
I know, so if you tell you the truth, I don't know nobody, but if I hear say nobody want a land to buy, can reach out to them and reach out back to you. But why price range?
Well, I'm going to just sell back for you said thing and buy for you know. And kill nobody said you know.
But if nobody want any land to buy, I'm here, I'm find out, reach out back to you, so don't worry.
Alright, respect you, bro.
Alright.
Take me all in care of them. Kayla, where you going with?
Nothing there, you good?
Why? good and bad in a one. You know about where they are going to hold it. Where you did?
I'm not doing nothing.
That's all news to tell you now.
How is that now?
Come like a long time I didn't even see and catch up with you. You want to know what I say? Film start. Alright. Good news. We get a house.
That's wonderful.
And yeah, so my uncle passed away, so also comes to get a house. Also, I sell land. I sell land now because some things are happening in my life and I will make me need to sell land, you know. If you build up on your house and make it also. So I just all do one thing. So I got my link from Bridget and buy back from. So I put out the word. So I sell land so in case you know anybody want to.
I go tell now you sell the land because me say up enough money for build the house, so I have to buy the land. So I go buy the land. So I don't know if you want to sell me. How much should I sell me for?
You?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you see you fast, man. Then a couple months ago, me there, so. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I sell over, you said price and buy some money. You 100 bucks.
Okay then. But I have the whole light right now, you know. But I don't know if you could have hold on for 50 and then I get other half soon.
You sure you want it?
Yeah, but if you never show some money, I'm not talk to you right now.
Alright, tell her. If I know you want it, we make you get it.
Yeah,
You know, I just a while ago, I tell from Bridget to put out the word. And he come like a sign.
So call him back and tell him say you make somebody get it on your mind, go tell somebody else about him.
Awesome. I don't think
me I beg you now, please to put on the land.
Yo, you know make
put on the land for me.
You know make you get him, man. I'm glad to me I come over here and link it.
Yeah, man, because I want to move out, want to move forward this now, because I'm not so comfortable yes again.
Alright, that's how you come on. So
yeah.
Everything good differently?
Yeah, everything good differently.
Yeah, I forgot. Tell her, tomorrow I'll show up at your place, you know?
Alright.
Alright, so let's say I have account information around text it to you.
You can't text it to me, text my phone. Just text me from my phone and I send it to you.
Are you sure you want it?
Yeah, man, if you never show some more want land, I'll talk to you.
Alright, I'll text you off. Look more here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Are you going to be?
Yeah, I'm going.
You don't say you may look for the long time once.
Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah, I look for my phone.
You say you have a land, you must still have me in need of piece of land right now.
I right place there, but I don't have none available at this time right now. No, I don't have none available. You don't need me I go work out something for you. You don't need for you to get upset and something. You don't say.
You have a good piece of money more spend, you know.
Like how much so?
200,000.
Hold on, because I have a bird that just link me enough. Hold on.
What you want to do?
I must sell a piece of land. I will make something work out for you. Davy.
Hello?
Yeah. You know, say a lucky do a boy because somebody just link me out. Say they have 200,000 want to land for buy.
200,000?
Yeah, bro, you still a sell it.
God no, dog, bro. Why? Yo, you know, say me link one of my regin there, do dog, Kayla, and me and him come to a little agreement. And he say he want the land, dog, and me can't diss him. God no, dog. Can't diss him, because my general that, you know.
A lie I tell, brother. I hate you they sell if I get 200,000, brother.
Bro, but bro, a loyalty, dog, and about the money, you know. If I link me look a bit earlier, and I'm real G that, bro. Me can't go around him.
Hold on. Where you say again?
So me can't go around him, bro.
Can't. Yeah, alright, give me it.
No, don't give me. Yo!
Alright. I'm sorry.
What on there? So let me know the voice. Hold on.
Why you name Davy, man? You must know him.
I know him. I'm a tenant. I'm living on my place. Alright, now lift me one thing, lift up to you know. I didn't even hear me want to lift up. A woman, look at dirty girl we have, but the girl is nasty.
Nasty.
The girl nasty, you don't want to see yard right now.
Yeah, since he nasty and I be things are going up here yard and them something, man. You have your 200,000 pounds, you know.
Right now in my account. No.
I make you get the land.
Yeah, let me get it. So if you but a Davy land, so how me I get the land?
No, you don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just know say it's a land that they get and they pay for your land. You go to the tax office because I remember say, no, I make you know. I work with the government then. I sell land. So you see once I sell your land, you go to tax office, you call the people them, tell them say you come down there, you get your title.
And
you
then we transfer money. I'm going to transfer half of your money now.
You have to transfer your whole light. Where you get
No,
that
I know something know about business. You make a deposit first, and then after the time you reach on my hand, me transfer the rest. I something know about it.
deposit the half right now. Hold on, let me look for my account information so you can get a picture of it and send me money. But hold on there. Stick up in. You know, say you take me for one idiot though.
Oh, me I think you feel that now.
But if you pay for something, and you go talk about deposit, you have to pay for you like one time.
No, you are trying to take me for that. Because you want me to send all of my money and then not get it. Because you just tell me say a Davilan, you know. So I don't know how you going to sell Davilan.
Between me and you, let me tell you the truth. You see the land, and my land. But David want me more than half of the money for the land. So if I'm not talk right now, no shares, you know. How me for drop 200,000? And me tell David just because me and my friend, me give him one percentage. And he give me less than what me even tell him. So your money live and active. Only thing me have to give back David, he do is give back David in percentage when he give me.
Okay.
You understand? Or you overstand?
Me overstand.
All
I
right.
understand. So me transfer the
See
money
picture,
right
yeah.
now.
I hate that. Just transfer your money. And you get the land. Nice land, you know. And you want to know something too? Guess what your neighbor? Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel.
He sells Vibes Cartel one house and one land. Right side of the land where you go get. So you have Vibes Cartel for your neighbor, but only thing.
See money they send. The money they send. You have to about Vibes Cartel like me that. Vibes Cartel no live in Jamaica. I'm in a business about Vibes Cartel if I move out if I alcohol. I'm in a business about no of them. I Davy me a pray.
No.
Davy me a talk
Vibes
about.
Cartel no live in Jamaica, you know. Because he gone tour.
I'm in a business about that. Davy me a pray. Davy me want. A girl me want to come out of my place and left Davy in there.
So, alright, you ready now? The money live and active. So, me
So,
get here.
tax office.
Tax office. I will link them, just go on down there. I will link them and tell.
Where name and figure them?
Me call them, man. What you name?
Alia.
Alia.
Yes.
I tell them, say Alia come. See, I mean, idiot. There's no way me can pay for something. Me didn't even know where land, then even see land. You know, see a scam, you get scam. Big and fool.
I'm a cow, yeah. I hope they don't shit up the place, you know. I hope they don't shit up the place at all. Stop. Go and throw some fence around here, son. This house I have to go move. I forget all the place chop down or something. I not come from my party now. Hello, sir. Come here there. Make your moment. Good evening.
Evening.
I know say my name Kayla.
Yeah, oh.
Yeah, but me not too come from up in my area, you understand? Come from back up the line. You're too familiar with up here, so.
Oh, understand.
Yeah, me don't want if you know nobody sell posts.
Yeah, post sell up here, man. 5 bills a one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know nobody would want some work. Come would want to chop out the place and plant up some posts.
Chop out which place?
Yes, sir, man.
This way. Yes, way.
Yes, sir, me buy it. From Davy. You know Davy? You sell me it.
Davy.
Yeah.
You sure?
Me positive man. In can me come show me it already.
That land a survey already, you know. No post can build upon this. Me not think Davy tell you already.
Davy not tell me nothing like that. Me have to go call him. Come and let him a slackness here, you know.
Sir.
Davy not tell me nothing like that. But alright.
Yeah.
Thanks anyways.
Backside. So Davy first go behind my back and sell land. And I me sell Davy land. Yes, sir.
Everything finally I go check it out. So move on to that place, sir. Now my house for itself and we sell the land.
I forgot something.
I can't figure it. That time most important.
Yeah, nice newborn baby on the way.
Yeah, man, everything just perfect right now. I'm gonna see what for masterpiece I'm doing right there.
If your life just feel calm. You know me, let's say you just landed and I really come by the way from.
I think from the last time we talked to her, she very not listening.
Let's say I have a couple of days now for sure.
Hold on. Hello? Alright, with the family. Baby,
Oh, that.
I kill her. Two him attack come like
Killer.
you hear girl, I'm saying like
Oh.
two him chat
What?
come like say he has some problem. He want say he up there and be a pan fire and he say him come up there now.
Oh, baby, when you fall by land. If I your land and your gear.
Yeah, we don't know. We soon come back here.
Be careful, pan the road, man.
We soon come back, man. We just want to start out it.
Probably. Must not.